So Lively Minds is really about supporting mothers to help their children in preparing for education, both at home and in school. Now, the reason why Lively Minds became a project that we are undertaking in Ghana is because some data from UNICEF showed that about 1 in 5 children in Ghana were stunted, and then in terms of nutrition, and about 1 in 3 children were developmentally delayed, especially in terms of learning. And we also realized that most mothers felt they didn't have the right resources or didn't have the right training and preparation in order to support their children. And that's what Lively Minds try to do, is to give them the basic skills to be able to support the children both in and out of the classroom.
The reason that this programme is important is that there is a big crisis of early childhood development which affects over 250 million children worldwide. And governments in low and middle income countries are seeking to find low cost and scalable ways to improve access to ECD, particularly for the hardest to reach children. And our programme offers a cheap, scalable way to do that. And so we're hoping that the evidence generated from this programme will really provide a strong policy alternative to governments all over the world.
In terms of the Ghana Education Service, we are institutionalizing Lively Minds in such a way that it becomes part and parcel of what we do, and that is part of our sustainability strategy. It is being done with a lot of GES staff, and it is being institutionalized from district to district in the approach that we are implementing Lively Minds to ensure that when the project leaves a district, that the district is able to sustain the project with minimal support or no support from Lively Minds, but rather it becomes part and parcel of what we do as Ghana Education Service.
So we applied for funding from FID because FID were interested in scaling innovations that had already got a strong evidence base, but were looking to scale up and to prove a model and to help solve a really big global development challenge. And that's exactly what we wanted to do as well. So we felt that having FID support would not only help us to run the programme in Ghana, but also to elevate our message and our approach more globally and to share learnings, so that we will be able to run the programme in 60 districts, reaching approximately 4,000 schools and over 1 million children.